Welcome, today we're going to show you how to redeem codes on Limbus Company. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Steam account and open the game. So now as see from here the game is loaded. All you need to do is to go to the settings or gear icon on the top right corner. So from here you will find a bunch of settings. You need to click on input coupon code. So it may take some time to connect or load. So as see from here, it says coupons are always combination of uppercase English alphabets and numbers. So you can use the same coupon once per account. Also, if the code is expired, you can just enter it or register it. So make sure to register or input your code as fast as possible. After that, from here you can just write the code, and after you do it, you can just hit on confirm, and you can actually redeem the code that easy. So right now I didn't find any code that is actually illegal, but in the future you may have some codes to actually enter from here. You need to just enter it this way and then hit on confirm. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.